Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 Snowy Owl Facts. Harry's Racecar Heart Bird. 1. Snowy owls, also called polar owls, are a true owl species native to northern cold climate regions. 2. Snowy owls are most active during the day, which is unusual for owl species. 3. They are the heaviest owl in North America, weighing about 4.5 pounds or 2 kilograms. 4. Not all snowy owls are almost pure white. Only the adult males are that color. Adult females have much more brown spots throughout their bodies, and adolescents have mostly gray feathers. 5. They don't nest in trees, but instead try to make a den deep in snow or ground foliage. 6. Snowy owls eat their captives whole. Their main source of food is voles and lemmings, but they may also eat small birds, rodents, and rabbits. 7. Their heads can rotate 270 degrees in both directions, so they can see completely around themselves without moving. They also have eyesight that is around 3 times better than ours. 8. Snowy owls have an insane resting heart rate of about 200 beats per minute. While flying and hunting, this can shoot up even more, over 300 beats per minute. 9. Snowy owls are a vulnerable species, and it's thought there are less than 100,000 left in the wild. And 10. Harry Potter's pet owl Hedwig is a snowy owl. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.